A 2011 leak of a black stealth jet in Chengdu shocked Western intelligence. From that secret prototype to the physics-defying Bohai Sea Monster, this is the story of every Chinese experimental aircraft ever built. The stealth prototypes. Chengdu J-20 prototype series. These were the test airframes for China's first stealth fighter, the jet that made the country only the third nation on Earth to fly a fifth-generation aircraft. The early prototypes carried canard foreplanes and exposed instrumentation booms, each one tweaking the shape to dial in stealth and supersonic performance before the world even knew its name. When that first leaked photo hit the internet in 2011, it rewrote every Western estimate of how far China had come. Shenyang Divine Eagle. This is a twin-fuselage stealth hunting drone, a bizarre double-bodied giant built to detect low-observable aircraft from extreme range. Its enormous wingspan and dual-hull design let it carry massive radar arrays meant to sniff out enemy stealth jets and ships far out over the ocean. It's one of the strangest-looking unmanned aircraft ever rolled out, a flying anti-stealth sentinel. Chengdu J-11 Sharp Sword. This is a flying-wing stealth combat drone designed to slip past air defenses and strike deep into hostile territory. With no tail and a smooth blended body, it's built to be nearly invisible to radar, while carrying weapons in an internal bay. It later appeared in upgraded form with a stealthy exhaust, marking China's leap into unmanned strike aircraft. Shenyang FC-31. A twin-engine stealth fighter prototype developed as a lighter, export-minded counterpart to the J-20, later evolving into a carrier-based design. Many analysts believe this prototype became the foundation for China's future carrier stealth fighter. But if these stealth jets were radical, the next machine ditches the runway entirely and lands like a helicopter while flying like a plane. Stay locked. Chinese Tiltrotor Prototype. A demonstrator that tilts its rotors from helicopter mode to airplane mode, China's answer to the legendary Osprey concept. Chinese Compound Coaxial Helicopter Prototype. A high-speed rotocraft with stacked counter-rotating blades and a pusher propeller, built to fly far faster than any normal helicopter. Bohai Sea Monster Ekranoplan. This is a ground-effect vehicle that flies just a few feet above the water surface, riding a cushion of air trapped between its wings and the waves. Spotted on the Bohai Sea, this experimental craft revived the Soviet-era concept to skim across the ocean faster than any ship while staying below radar coverage. It's a true sea monster, neither fully aircraft nor boat, built to haul troops or weapons at brutal speed across the water. AVIC AG600, the Kunlong. This is one of the largest amphibious aircraft on the planet, a four-engine flying boat with a wingspan rivaling a Boeing 737. It can scoop up 12 tons of water in 20 seconds for firefighting, then land on open sea to run rescue and maritime patrol missions across China's contested island chains. It's a giant that operates from both land and water, blurring the line between aircraft and ship. But the real madness begins with the fighters that pushed engines and physics to the breaking point. The fighter testbeds, pushing the envelope. Chengdu J-10B TVC demonstrator. This was a modified J-10 fighter fitted with a thrust vectoring engine nozzle that swivels to point the exhaust in any direction. At the 2018 Zhuhai Air Show, it stunned the world by performing the impossible, the Pugachev's Cobra, the falling leaf, and tight super maneuvers that proved China had mastered thrust vectoring tech. It signaled the country could now build engines as agile as anything in the West. Shenyang J-8ACT, a fly-by-wire testbed variant of the J-8 interceptor, used to develop China's first electronic flight control systems. Nanchang J-12, a tiny ultra-light dogfighter built to be the lightest jet fighter ever made, designed for rough front-line airstrips. Shenyang 5, an experimental unmanned target and testbed aircraft used to push China's drone and flight research programs. But if these testbeds were obscure, the next aircraft were the forgotten giants China tried to build decades before anyone thought it could. Stay locked. Harbin Z-6, an experimental transport helicopter, one of China's earliest attempts to build a heavy-lift rotocraft entirely on its own. Xian Y-10. This was China's first attempt to build a large 4-engine jet airliner-sized aircraft, a stunning leap of ambition in the 1970s when the country had almost no aviation industry. It actually flew, reaching the skies in 1980 and even landing in the high-altitude airfields of Tibet, proving China could engineer an aircraft of enormous scale. The program was cancelled, but it became the foundation of every large Chinese aircraft that followed. KJ-1. This was China's first airborne early warning aircraft, a massive rotating radar disc bolted on top of a Soviet-derived bomber airframe. Built in the 1970s in total secrecy, it was the country's earliest attempt to create a flying radar station to control the skies. The technology of the era couldn't keep up with the ambition, but it laid the groundwork for the powerful AWACS fleet China fields today. Shenyang JJ-1. This was the first jet aircraft China ever designed entirely on its own, a trainer that broke China's total dependence on copying Soviet designs. It first flew in 1958, proving that Chinese engineers could conceive, draft, and build an original jet from a blank sheet of paper. Every homegrown fighter, stealth jet, and drone that followed traces its lineage straight back to this single pioneering machine. From the JJ-1 trainer to stealth drones and anti-stealth hunters, these experimental aircraft transformed China from a nation that copied foreign designs into one that now challenges the world's aerospace powers. History under fire, out.